Hi there, today we're going to take a quick look at BABA, and we're finally seeing a pullback in this stock with price clearly above the 200, clearly above the 50, and the 513 EMA combo that I look at is still in a buy mode with the 5 above the 13. Notice that this can be very helpful because here's where you had the crossover way back when, and you've never had it cross back to the downside yet. Okay, so I still have this in a bullish mode. I still have us looking for possible buy entries. The only thing that you need to see though next is a test and hold of the key support, and then a trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet. Now the daily chart looks slightly different than the intraday chart, but I'm going to show you the daily first. I have symmetry along with let's see, the 618 retracements of these two prior swings. That comes in at this 173.04 to 175.89 area. So that's the setup that I'm looking at on the daily chart. Okay, we're not quite there yet, but there are a lot of times where I'll go down to a lower time frame chart, and that chart will actually fill in the blanks with some of the swings that you can't really see on the daily chart. You have to go and look at them on the lower time frame chart where you can actually see these internal swings. So when we look at a 78-minute chart, we are actually already on top of support. So as long as price holds somewhere above, let's see, in this chart, 175.89 to 177.39, actually, let's edit that out because we came through the high end of it. So it's now 176.78 is the high end of the zone. So we're still above this area. But what do we need to see? We need to see a lower time frame chart trigger an entry. Now if you're going to look at this for a day trade, you can use something like a 2-minute or a 5-minute chart. But typically if you're looking at this for a swing trade, you're waiting for the moving average crossover back to the upside on either a 15 or a 30-minute chart. Okay. The other thing you can do is you can sneak into the trade using a day trading trigger, and then just don't keep the trade overnight unless it also gives you the trigger, you know, to keep it overnight on the 15 or the 30. Bottom line, this is my definition of risk. This is the area that I'm going to look at, you know, for buy triggers tomorrow if we hold above it. If we break underneath it, then I'm wrong the setup and I have to start over again. So let's see if this ends up, you know, holding tomorrow or not. And if it does, then we have a trade to look at.